Okay, so there's a rainstorm, thunderstorm, whatever, and now there's a toad in our pool. Okay. There's a toad in our pool, Grandma.
Okay.
There's a toad in our pool. That's not weird at all. Yes, come to me, toad. I'm gonna catch it. We gotta catch it. What?
Is he dead?
No.
Oh no.
Just he jumped out of my dad's can.
Oh.
Look at this fish. See, he's right here. No. See, he's right there. Never thought I'd have a toad in a pool, but okay. Yeah. He wants out, like, really badly. I know. I don't want to catch him. I have to wait for Billy. Yeah, there's a toad in our pool on Easter.